Morning everybody, we are back with the Yamaha engine today. We only got a puller for it. As you can see, I've got that set up there on that alternator. I'm hoping it's going to work. I hope it's going to be strong enough. As you can see, it's like not really much area to like fit through, so it's a pretty small sort of puller. So I'm hoping this thing will do the job. Hoping it doesn't break because it wasn't cheap. But yeah, we'll see if we can get it off. So just jump straight into it and try and get this off and try and get this engine split. Beautiful, we got it. I was starting to have doubts. Then should we get this bloody thing back out? Alright, well, by the looks of it, that was money well spent. Because we got that out, I think. Did we? Yep, yeah we did. There we go. Alright, just took off this second part of the alternator here. I'm not sure how that comes out. I'm just going to try and leave that sensor, might be a neutral switch maybe, just in there for the time being, and I'll pull it out if I have to. Hopefully I won't though. So I'll undo the rest of the screws for this part of the casing, and then hopefully that'll slip straight off. And then I'll be able to pull the gearbox apart. Alright, just put a puller on the casing here. Obviously the bearing for the crank is holding it on pretty firm, and I don't want to wreck the casing too much, pry it with screwdrivers. So we'll see if this works. Hopefully it'll come off. Finally, it's apart. There we go. Gee, that was a bugger around. Alright, now we've got that split. So basically what we were fighting was the pressure of the bearings on the shafts there that were holding on. That's why I had to use the puller. But now I've got that apart. You can see on there, bearings look alright. So that's one good thing. So now I've got the gearbox exposed. We'll have to disassemble this. I'll have to lay it all out so I can remember how it goes back together. And then I'll be right to decide, or I'll make a list up of everything I need. And then I'll be able to go and order it all. So what I'll do now is I'll pull all that apart and lay it all out. And then, yeah, I'll be ready to figure out what we need and what seals and gaskets and all that sort of crap we need. So I'll do that now. Alright, got the two shafts out. So this is the one we need to replace, obviously, with that bugger thread. So that one we don't need to touch. Hopefully I can remember how it all sits back together. I think I'm going to struggle with the gear, the way the gears shift. I didn't really pay too much attention to how they sat, so that'll be a bit of a trial and error when I put that back together, but we'll work it out. So now I'll just take all these gears off this shaft. Looks like they're, don't know if they're pressed on or not. They all seem pretty free on this. They should slide off. There's just a circlip there that I'll need to take off, and then that'll all slide off. I'll set that how it's meant to be, and then I'll be able to get that shaft out and get a new one. Okay, here's all the gears laid out there, and that's in order of when they come off. So that's the first one I pulled off, and then that stacks on top of there. Bang, 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 across all the top. And then that one's obviously the last one at the bottom. So there's three circlips there that I've got to replace. There was another one there. I might just get all the circlips for the gearbox. Just make life a bit easier. Once I get that back together, I'm sort of hoping that it'll go back pretty easily. I might try and source a workshop manual, ask around, see if someone will lend me one. Hopefully mob in town that I'm going to try and go get the parts from. Hopefully they'll have one and they'll be good enough to lend me one. You'd think they would be, but we'll find out. So that's all apart now. I'm going to just get a bit of a list together of what parts I need, seals, gaskets, and whatnot. And then I'll go into town today and get a price on those and make sure that they're going to be able to get them. And then, yeah. So that'll wrap this little video up for today. And hopefully the next one you'll see, I'll have all my bits and we'll be ready to start chucking that engine back together. Get it all sorted, and hopefully it'll be down the road. So thanks for watching. I'll see you later.